I'm going to show you how to put in the lapped zipper. This is a lapped zipper right here. You can see that if I open it up, that you're going to have stitching down the edge of the teeth and that everything is enclosed like this. It is a sister to the centered zipper, which is right here. We're going to use the same type of applications except we're going to change around our seam allowances. So let's get started. So I'm going to use a regular 7-inch zipper, and I'm going to use my seam gauge to help me maneuver my seam allowances. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to mark where your 7-inch zipper is going to stop. And I have marked it right here where the stopper would be. And I'm going to start stitching right here at my mark, 5/8 of an inch, back stitching and stitch all the way down to the end right here. At that point, I'm going to take it to the pressing station, and I'm going to press the seam flat. And I'm going to continue pressing this up 5/8 all the way to the top. And if you're struggling to find that 5/8 is located right here. It is the small one past the 1/2 inch mark right here. So you need to make sure that these are 5/8 inch right like that, okay? Now, on the left-hand side, I'm going to flip him over. This is the one I'm going to be working on first. We have that 5/8 inch seam right here. I'm just going to undo that 5/8 inch seam, 5/8 inch, and I'm going to turn it under just a little bit so that this one is now about 3/8 of an inch, which is, or a 1/2 inch. You could even do a 1/2 inch, and that's fine, all the way down. And I'm gonna line up the end of the stopper right along the edge of the teeth. And I'm gonna pin this down. And I'm gonna pin it this way because I am left-handed. I want it right along the teeth. Right along the teeth like that. Now I just want to show you that if I were to close this, this is the 5/8 inch seam that we had. And I have now redistributed that seam allowance to a 1/2 inch. And I'm going to stitch it right along the edge. Do not stitch through your zipper teeth. If you stitch through the zipper teeth, you will have to redo it. Okay. Looks like that. We are going to give it a haircut and cut off all of our thread tails. All right. So now we are going to put the right side, which we have turned under 5/8, we are going to once again line it right back up over the zipper, and I am going to go ahead and at this point I'm just going to pin this down like this. And I'm doing that just to keep things in place. I'm also going to come down here and find my stopper, which is here. And I'm going to pin it down vertically so that I know that that is where my stopper is. And at this point, I am now going to stitch right along the edge of here, but I want to mark it, and I want to mark it with a 1/2 inch. There's the 1/2 inch from the fold. And if you want to go ahead and mark that, you can. If you want to mark it with pins, you can as well, but you can mark it all the way down. And I'm going to stitch it down. You're wanting to stitch your seam allowance and the zipper down on that. And I am just really making sure that I am close to my zipper teeth because I can feel them. I don't want to sew through my zipper teeth. And I'm going right down to the stopper. I'm going to stop with the needle down. I just want to make sure that I am going to stop with the needle down, raise your presser foot, and you're going to go across. Yep, I'm underneath it. Open this up. Okay. So once again, if I open this up, I can see that I don't have any raw edges showing on this side. And the zipper will go down and it comes right back up. And it's encased and you don't see it. And it looks like this on the back. Okay. That's the lap zipper.